Want to remove background from your photo? Yeah, then I got you. Using this website, you can remove your background just in one click. No Photoshop needed, no editing. Just one click and it will remove your background automatically. Okay, now go to your Chrome browser and search background remover. And after that, just click on the first website which is showing this one, remove.bg background. So click on that, and after that just click on upload image button. Here you can select the image which you want to remove your background for, and after that it will do the job for you. Nothing really more, nothing really less. After that, just and now your image is ready. You can download this image by pressing on the download button, and then you're done. Yeah, so for more videos like this, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.